Fernando, how far now? Why you keep face like say you dey write exam where you don't fail already?
Van Dijk, abeg leave me joor. I dey reason that Carabao Cup Finals. I know they like play against Chelsea.
You dey fear?
Since wey that their new coach enter, we never win them o.
Na him be say na for this finals we go first win them.
How you take know?
Mane and Salah dey form na.
So if Mane and Salah dey form, na him be say we don win.
Na how for you? You and your wife dey quarrel? Why you just negative like this? We get boys wey go damage Chelsea na. Plus Kovacic and that their player wey no sabi celebrate when he score goal don get injury.
Where that our new boy?
Diaz, the guy dey do shooting practice. I dey tell you, Chelsea go hear am. Who be that? Come inside.
Coachy, good morning, sir.
Big man, how you dey?
Coachy, I know well, no. I know they like to dey for bench.
Okay now. Na him be say you go dey house watch the match.
Coachy, I know they like this kind talk. Oh. Why I go dey house dey watch match when I suppose dey play?
You go start to dey play match when you stop the height for pitch.
Coachy, haba na. Na dem no gree pass ball give me.
So you dey try tell me say your teammates no like you?
Coachy, no be wetin I mean.
If you no get better thing to talk, comot from my office make I raise information why I go take play Liverpool.
Coachy, in case you don't know, na me be the highest scoring foreign player for EPL. Oh.
Highest scoring waiting.
Check am na. I get EPL goals pass Salah and Ronaldo sef.
Comot for here.
Coachy, you know the dey raise level. Oh. Na me suppose play that finals.
You say you no dey waiting? You dey mad?
No let man swear for this club. Oh.
You say waiting?
I don tell you my own.
Hey, this guy go be problem for this club, oh. Oga Mourinho and Lampard, una welcome.
Thank you, Kobala. My guy. Lampard, wetin you dey do for here? You no suppose go try comot Everton from relegation zone? Wetin concern you? You no suppose go carry Serie A? Okay, nah. I go like make Man City forget 5-0 for your post on Saturday. God forbid! Kobala, abeg, do your thing.
Oga Lampard, your former club Chelsea get Carabao Cup Finals to play on Sunday against Liverpool. Considering their current form, wetin dey predict?
Chelsea no too dey form, oh. But trust me, those guys go surprise Liverpool.
Wetin make you talk like that, sir?
Na refined Muimbi na. I dey always expect am to talk nonsense things. You don start, ba? No be me say make you dey advertise your gongoni head. You know say if fight boss here now, na you cause am. You fit fight? You wan know whether I fit fight?
Comrades, abeg, no violence.
Oh, shut up there. You and who be comrade?
Sorry, sir. Oga Mourinho, wetin make you think say na Liverpool go win am?
Simple. Because Liverpool strong pass Chelsea. Kovacic and Ziyech don go join Red Cross. Nobody for Chelsea play reach Salah. That David Luiz Jr. brother don start to dey score goal. No be David Luiz brother, Joe. More for here. Wetin you know? Even Alisson get the same number of assists with Jorginho for EPL. Plus, make we no forget say na Kepa go dey post too. See this guy? Person wey dey catch PK. Who wan play PK? You think say Chelsea go fit carry Liverpool enter PK? This guy, I don't know wetin dey worry you. You chop cockroach skeleton come here. Yeah, father. Shebi the match na Sunday. We go see who chop cockroach skeleton. As you dey laugh, make you no forget to press that like button and share the video as e dey hot. As wetin dey hot? I no get time for you.
Wait, where you dey go? You never tell the people wey never subscribe say make them subscribe, oh.